Hello and welcome back to another episode in my series of triple kinetic rhythm dance. And this, as I've explained before, can be used in many ways. It could be used by beginners for exercise. It can be transformed as dance. It can be workouts. It can be professional dancing. So do look back at the original videos on this so you can understand more about it. But here are some more steps that you can use in any of those respects I've just mentioned, adapting them, but keeping the rhythm of this triple connect rhythm dance movements. So keeping with the rhythm of quick, 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 slow, slow. We've done weaves before, and we're going to do variations of grapevine turning. So any backside fronts, but with the rhythm we need to do. Quick, 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 slow, slow. So back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side. But you need to do that to the rhythm of this. Quick, 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 slow, slow. So you'll keep the rhythm going all the way through, making your circle. So just reminding you again of the actual steps of grapevine: back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side. Quick, 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 slow, slow. And obviously make sure you get the pattern. That one can be quite difficult for beginners because we're doing 4 steps to quick, 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 slow, slow. So you're going to be halfway through a grapevine when you repeat the quick, 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 slow, slow. So this is really more for your advanced people because we've done so much for beginners. But have a go. And of course, you advanced people out there, make sure you use arms. You could use quick, 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 slow, slow. For example, you could do circling arms if you're doing it for exercise on the slows. Quick, 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 slow, slow. So it's very important to use arms when you're doing all these movements. Of course, as I've stated before, beginners could just make very simple, natural movements with the arms, or just punching down, quick, 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 for example. Okay, let's do an easier step for you all. Chickens. Now, there's different versions of this. Of course, we're going to be doing chicken arms to keep it simple. And just stepping in place for beginners. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. The more you can get little bobs or bounces in this, the better. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Or really picking those knees up. Quick, 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 slow, slow. It's very nice to point your toes down, but if you really want to have the chicken theme, turn your toes up. So try those. You could make them turning for more interest. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Show me in a video that you sent to me your variations of different versions of chicken. Combine it with the grapevines. Another easy one is running. Now you could do like your $6 million man runs on the slows. You could do fast knees up runs on the quicks, or you could do all of them. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Don't forget about travelling. Quick, quick, quick. Change direction on your slows. Quick, quick, quick. Slow, slow. And for good exercise, really do deep, long lunges on the slows if you're using it for exercise. How about flicks? Now you can flick like you're shaking something off your shoe rather than kicks. We flick in different directions. Flick, flick, flick. And then a rock rock to finish on the slow, slow. So flicking in any directions. Flick, flick, flick. Slow, slow. Flick, flick, flick. Slow, slow. Flick, flick, flick. Slow, slow. Or even get that running man slow on the end. Flick, flick, flick. Slow, slow. So you see already how you can combine all these steps. Have fun with them. This is why we don't have to remember anything if we're using this for basic dance, because we just do anything we remember and keep the rhythm quick, 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 slow, slow. If you want it for exercise, change feet. Flick, flick, flick. Slow, slow, jump in those slows a bit more. Now we have what we call chess. And this is very informed of rocking back, rocking forward, stepping forward, but changing directions a little bit like your chess piece might move. Back, forward rocks, and then step forward. Rock back, rock forward, step forward. Rock back, rock forward, step forward. Rock back, rock forward, step forward. So that's your quick, quick, quick. And then any of the slows we've done before, or your own ones. You could do the drag, dig that we've done before. Rock back, rock forward, step forward, side drag, dig. So you could do rock back, rock forward, step forward, side drag, dig. Rock back, rock forward, step forward, side drag, dig. Rock back, rock forward, step forward, side drag, dig. Turning them or keeping them straight. So the timing will be quick, 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 slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Let's do that a little bit faster. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. See that turning? Quick, 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 slow, slow. 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 So turning on any part. You could turn on the step forward or on the drag. Quick, quick, turn there, slow, slow, or quick, 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 turn there, slow, slow. Variations of that could be forward, back, step back. And then you don't even need to move on the slow, slow. If you're exercising, you could do slow, slow. So you could do rock forward, back, step back, slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Can you try practicing it using side steps? As I say, there's no limits as to what you can do once you have the basic ideas of chess. You could do 2 steps rock, your step forward and switch step. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Any form of switch turns, any directions. Let's try with the sides. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Play around with it. That's the whole idea of this. You don't need to be a dancer or be over-instructed to know how to move and dance. Just that one step on its own. There are so many variations. See what you can create. Perhaps rock, rock, step, step, tap. And remember, the more confident you get, you don't have to repeat lots of them in a row. You can do one or two and then on to another step you've learned. So always remember to keep going back to what I previously taught you and add them in so you get lots of variation. And in the end, people tell me we've done some of these steps when we've gone to a party and people are like, wow, I didn't know you could dance, because they put lots of them together and it looks fantastic for very simple steps. So these were just a few more ideas. As I always say, the bits you like, keep. The bits you don't like, send them out the door, and always put in some more of your own ideas. If you find something a bit awkward, change it, adapt it, or do something else, but it might inspire you for another movement or step. Did you know you could be so creative? And did you know you could dance? Well, now you can. Check out the previous episodes and all my other playlists, because now you've got the confidence to dance. Check out all the other subjects, because you will find with my easy instruction, you can dance any dance subject. Always start with the oldest one in each series, because these will be the beginner steps. So until next time, as always, happy dancing.